Inductive and deductive approach. The deductive approach. In the deductive approach, one comes to the text with a thesis and then seeks out passages to support the thesis. One is dictating to the scriptures rather than letting the scriptures speak. One has already, to a certain extent, drawn conclusions before reading the whole text of the scripture in context. One is coming to the text with the thesis in order to argue his argument, and that he is not allowing to speak what the text is saying, but he was commenting the text. One is not taking the context of the text, but he was taking the or he is taking the text in order to argue his statement or thesis. This is what the deductive approach. Let us know the inductive approach. Your conclusions evolve out of what you have observed, seeking to lay aside preconceived ideas. This approach seeks to let the scriptures speak for itself. This approach studies the scriptures in context. We are bringing the conclusion by observation and seeking. The next we can say, next we have to keep our preconceived ideas aside. We are allowing the text to speak and we are considering the context. What does the text speak? But we are not talking about what we want to speak. Let us know the three types or three steps of inductive Bible study. The first one is observation. What does the text say? The second one, interpretation. What did the text mean when it was written? Meaning to the original reader or original hearer. Third one is application. How does the truth of this passage book apply to the 21st century? Let us see observation. In the observation, what does the text say? But we are not talking about the meaning. Just we are reading and observing. For example, a repeated words and who and pronoun. Such kind of observations we are being. And as well as we come to the interpretation. What did the text mean when it was written? So we can see it's not me, it's not about us, but it is especially the original reader. For example, let us know who is the original reader. For example, the book of the Philemon was written by Paul. The author is Paul, and we can see the original reader is Philemon. So this is what we can consider Philemon is original reader. Nowadays we are reading the book. We are the next readers. The main goal of the inductive Bible study is application. How can we apply that now in our lives? Application is not one day action, it is lifelong process.